Hi, my name is Kacper. I am an engineer at MTS Technik. In today's video, I'd like to talk about the coilover suspension kit designed for the Volvo P80-based cars. The front axle kit consists of two threaded shock absorbers finished in gold zinc plating, featuring the hexacoil adjustment nuts. Hexacoils, thanks to the use of a clamping screw, significantly enhances the ease of adjusting your suspension height. The springs are produced by a German company, eibach. Front springs are ERS-type springs with linear characteristics, and thanks to their internal diameter of 60 mm, they allow for very easy replacement with springs of different stiffness. Rear springs, on the other side, are progressive springs, ensuring maximum comfort and excellent driving characteristics. Moreover, the kit also includes the helper springs to provide preload for the front main springs. The rear axle consists of sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke, tailored for lowered suspension with increased dampening force compared to the original shock absorbers. The kit also includes dedicated bump stops and dust covers, as well as black anodized aluminum height adjusters for the rear axle. Besides the kit itself, in the package you will also find an adjustment wrench, two MTS Technik stickers, and any necessary documentation, such as installation manual or TÜV certificate. Thanks for watching.